Welcome to PhillipCapital's Weekly Market Watch. The beginning of 2009 has seen the pound and euro plunge to new depths as the European Central Bank and the Bank of England cut respective rates to new lows. Today we have Mr. Terence Lee from Phillip Futures Advisory Desk to share more. So Terence, as the impact of global write-downs reaches Europe and the UK, the pound and euro have seen some heavy selling recently. What are the other reasons behind the selling?
Well, this clearly shows that the impact of this financial crisis and the slowing down of global economy. Recent volatility is created due to uncertainties in the market, expectation of rate cuts from central banks, and as well as how well this stimulus package from US government will help the economy and the US dollars. Volatility is also created by further rate cuts from ECB and BOE expected by investors and market players. They are the main driving factors for euro and sterling weakness at this moment. But that doesn't mean that the US dollar is stronger. As we can see from the gold prices recently trading at over 900 plus, that clearly shows that the funds and the private investors are buying the gold as a safe haven hedge.
Besides the stimulus package by the Obama administration, what are the other fundamentals affecting the currency markets?
Well, investors are very concerned about the financial health of the countries that are badly hit by this crisis. Anything is possible now, especially the possibility of a great nation going into insolvency. Biggest fear now is whether any of these nations will file for bankruptcy or not. Therefore, action taken by their government to save the financial system will be very closely watched and deciphered as a mover for currencies.
What do you think is the outlook for the dollar, euro, and yen for the next few weeks?
Well, for these three major currencies, it's a matter of who gets to sit when the music stops. US, Eurozone, and Japan each has their own unique set of problems and strategies for this crisis. Based on my views, I believe that Americans should be able to handle or hold up this crisis much better than Eurozone due to the fact that it is easier for them to contain the fire as compared to the Europeans. And as for the Japanese, they have the virtue to save, therefore they should be doing much better compared to their Western counterparts. To sum it, I will think that the US dollars will be able to maintain its strength against the euro, but slightly a bit weaker against the yen for the next few weeks. Anything is possible.
Thank you, Terence, for your time. That's all we have for today. Join us next week for more market updates.